2016 Lincoln MKS. With standard features including an invisible keypad that senses your arrival, intelligent access keys that allow ignition at the touch of a button, and a power rear window sunshade, the Lincoln MKS is technologically breathtaking. Boasting a 3.7-liter V6 engine, it's also powerfully smart. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.